welcome back. So we did have mostly sunny skies. We made our way through the day today. High temperatures only around 5 below zero. Some of the most frigid air we will probably have this winter season over us right now. And we have since fallen to 10 below zero in Scottsbluff with a wind chill of 34 below zero. Here's a look at the winds. Northwest around 18 to 26 miles per hour. Better than yesterday. And they will continue to diminish as we go through time. Temperatures around the region look like this. Out toward Kimball at 13 below zero. Harrison at 16 below zero, and Hemingford at 15 below zero. So definitely prepare for these temperatures if you're spending any time outside. Now combine that with the wind, still northwesterly, so that's a cool flow directly from the Arctic. Wind speeds between 15 to 25 miles per hour. So it's still a little breezy to windy out there. Some of the strongest wind gusts, though, 35 to even up to 45 miles per hour. And here's a look at the wind chills. Wind chills in most places between 35 and 45 degrees below zero. So because of that, we continue our wind chill warning for the entire viewing area. That does go until tomorrow at 11 a.m. And as for the winter weather advisories, the advisory for Scottsbluff points off to the south. Any advisories for southeastern Wyoming have expired. But for the northern third of the Panhandle, the eastern third of the Panhandle, still a winter weather advisory for some slippery roads and blowing snow. That does go until 11 p.m. tonight. Now, here's a look at the surface map across the country. The storm that made its way through with some light snow for us, combining with another one off the east coast, becoming a big rain and snowmaker into the Midwest and Northeast. There's that direct flow from the Arctic. We're still on the cool side of this high-pressure system that'll eventually crest over us, move off to the east, and finally we're going to get back into this warm air that has been off the west coast. But here's a look at the extent of the cold. Remember, we have that direct flow from the Arctic, so even toward the Gulf of Mexico, out toward El Paso, even into the Atlanta area, this is wind chills of 0 to 10 degrees above zero. So it just gets progressively worse as you make your way into the northern plains. Now, we still have the possibility overnight to tomorrow morning of 30 to 40 mile per hour, or 30 to 40 degree below zero wind chill, but warmer air is going to be on the way. Here's a look at the skycast. Mainly clear skies during the overnight. Temperatures, air temperatures falling back to around 15 below zero, and then rebounding to around 5 to 10 degrees as we go through the day tomorrow, still with a good amount of sunshine. A few more clouds make your way into Saturday morning, but we fall back to around 5 to 10 degrees below zero for a low. Saturday's highs will make it all the way into the mid to upper 20s with partly cloudy skies to start off your weekend and for Christmas Eve. So this high pressure system, we're going to be in its cool side one more overnight period, but as it works its way out to the east, a nice southerly flow. By around Saturday morning, we do have that warm front on our doorstep, and then as it makes its way through, we have all that warm air just filtering in as we make our way through the rest of the weekend and through next week. We're going to be pretty warm. This cold air is really not going to affect us much. It's going to move off to the north. We're going to continue that Pacific flow and really warm up as we make our way through the next 7 days. So 7 your high tomorrow, sunny skies, partly cloudy over the weekend, rising from 35 to 45, a little windy on Sunday. 47 on Monday, lower 50s on Tuesday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, and near 50 on Wednesday, partly cloudy. Little breezy Wednesday, and then 46 for Thursday with partly cloudy skies, just a 10% chance of some moisture by this time next week. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. That massive winter storm and extreme cold moving across the country is causing a scramble at airports just 2 days before Christmas Eve. Tom Costello reports.
Wednesday night, and with snow already hitting a crowded Minneapolis airport, Chicago O'Hare is also running at full throttle.
We're going to steal them for a San Diego outbound, send them to Bravo 5, please.
Counting down, with the storm expected to slow air traffic across the region to a trickle within 24 to 36 hours. The Kappelman family among the thousands who decided to leave early for Florida.